You'll learn how to create a blank soft app, choose a data source, and navigate the editor so you can start building your first website, client portal, or internal tool without writing any code. Soft is a powerful no-code platform that turns data from sources like Airtable, Google Sheets, and HubSpot into fully functional web applications, and understanding how to set up that first blank app is the key to unlocking all of its potential. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Begin by logging into your Soft account with your credentials. Once you're signed in, give the dashboard a moment to load completely. This initial load time is normal, especially if you have existing projects or if the platform is pulling in recent updates from connected data sources. Take a few moments to look around the dashboard itself. You'll see a clean left-aligned navigation menu with options like applications, templates, and data sources, along with a main content area that typically shows recent apps, learning resources, and quick start guides. Familiarizing yourself with this layout now will save you time later, because every major action you take, whether creating a new app, managing user permissions, or connecting a data source, starts from this central hub. From the left navigation menu, click on Applications. This section lists every app you've built or are currently working on, and if you've just started, the list might be empty or show a single demo app. Click the Create button in the upper right corner of the Applications page. A modal or new window will appear, and this is where you'll make the first important decision about how to begin building. Softr presents 3 distinct pathways: explain your app with AI, copy a template, and start blank. Let's briefly review each option so you understand what fits your situation best. The AI option lets you describe your project in natural language, and Softr will generate an app structure for you. This is great if you have a clear idea but want a head start. Copy a template gives you access to dozens of pre-built layouts for things like membership portals, directories, and marketplaces. It's perfect if you need inspiration or want a professional starting point quickly. Starting blank gives you a completely empty canvas with no preset pages or data connections, and that's exactly what you'll choose if you want full control from the ground up. Since you're learning how Soft works from scratch, click Start Blank. This ensures you understand every building block, rather than inheriting structures you may not yet be comfortable editing later. After clicking Start Blank, the next screen asks you to choose a data source for your application. Data sources are simply the places where your app's information lives, things like user records, product lists, or client details. Soft supports connections to Airtable, Google Sheets, HubSpot, and its own internal database known as Soft Data, among others. If you're just practicing, the safest and most flexible choice is to select Soft Data because it doesn't require any external accounts or setup, and you can create tables directly inside the app. For a real project, you choose whichever tool currently holds your data. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. Wait while Soft creates your new application. This step typically takes just a few seconds, and when it finishes, the app editor loads. This editor is where you'll spend most of your time, so take a few moments to become familiar with the workspace. In the center of the screen is the editing canvas, which shows a live preview of your app as it would appear on a desktop browser. When you select any element on that canvas, like a heading, an image block, or a form, a toolbar and editing panel will appear with options to change its content, style, layout, and behavior. Explore these controls without making major changes yet. Just click on a few different areas to see what options become available. The goal here is to build muscle memory so that when you start customizing, you know exactly where to go. With Isanum panel Nathan Nibikure. Now locate the left sidebar. This panel lists all the pages in your application. When you start blank, you'll likely see 1 or 2 default pages, such as a home page or a login page, depending on the template you skipped. To create a new page, click Add Page from the left sidebar. Soft will ask you what type of page you want to add. Common options include a blank page, a list page for displaying records from your data source, a detail page for individual records, or a search page. Choose the option that matches your project's needs. For a typical first page, a blank page is a safe starting point. Next, enter a page name. Be descriptive. If this page is for your team members list, call it something like Team, not Page 1. Confirm the creation, and you'll see the new page appear in the sidebar. Click on it to open it in the canvas, and you'll notice it's entirely empty, ready for you to add blocks. Continue exploring the editor by selecting different pages you've created. Click on existing blocks to view their editing options, and begin personalizing your application. Change the text in a heading block, upload an image, or adjust a layout. This is your sandbox, and there's no wrong way to experiment. The more you click, the more you'll discover features like repeaters for dynamic content, conditional visibility settings to show or hide blocks based on user roles, and style controls for fonts, colors, and spacing. Add a few more pages, give each one a clear name, and practice navigating between them in the sidebar. This familiarity will pay off enormously when you later connect your data and start building real workflows. Once you're satisfied with your exploration, review your application's overall structure, verify that your pages appear correctly in the left sidebar and that they are logically ordered. You can drag and drop pages to reorder them, and you can also nest pages under a menu structure for cleaner navigation. By now, you've successfully created your first Softr app from scratch, chosen a data source, and become comfortable with the editor's main components, the canvas, the toolbar, and the page list. You're now ready to continue building by adding content blocks, connecting your data, and customizing the design to match your brand. A great next step is to add a list block and link it to your data source so your app starts displaying real information. Save your progress frequently by clicking the Save or Publish button and preview your app to see how it looks from a visitor's perspective. Thanks for following along, and if you ever need to revisit these steps, bookmark this video so you can come back anytime.